Hey, it's Miss McCall.
And Miss Townsend.
And we are going to help you with number 4.
And you get both of us in one video.
Aren't you lucky? All right, so number 4. Heidi, Ethel, and Maya were racing. When Ethel reached the finish line, Heidi was 2.75 feet from the finish line, and Maya was 2.25 feet from the finish line. Which of the following was true when Ethel reached the finish line?
That's kind of confusing, Miss McCall.
I know.
You know what I think will help us is to draw the picture.
I like where you're going with this. So luckily I put that little flag on there for us. And thank you for drawing that beautiful line.
Of course.
So let's draw our people. So it says first that Ethel, whoopsies, reached the finish line.
Good job, Ethel.
Yep, here she is. She is at the finish line. Yay, go Ethel.
Let's mark an E so we remember that that's Ethel.
I think that's a good idea. Okay, there's Ethel. So then Heidi was 2.75 feet from the finish line. So I'm just going to kind of put her down here, I think. Heidi, she's very tall.
She's great.
She's
did a
great.
Good job.
She is running. Okay, so she is right here, Heidi. And I'm even going to put like that she is at 2.75 so I don't forget that in case I need it later. Okay.
And that's from the finish line. So she hasn't reached the finish line yet. She's 2.75 from the finish line.
So should I be thinking, is that like a positive or a negative number, you think?
It's an interesting one. I feel like it's a negative one because Ethel's kind of at 0. It's because she won. So she's at 0, and then they're going to be kind of behind her.
Okay, so I'm going to really make it negative 2.75. Okay, gotcha. All right, and then we have Maya, who is at 2.25 feet from the finish line. So
she hasn't finished yet either.
No.
But where is she going to end up? Is she closer to Ethel or closer to Heidi?
So I think, if I remember correctly, negatives are opposite worlds, so 2.25 I think is a little closer to 0 than 2.75.
I agree. Yep.
So I think I'm going to kind of put her here in between them. There she is, and this is Maya. She is at negative 2.25 since she's still behind the finish line.
But she is closer to the finish line than Heidi is, but not quite to Ethel yet. Okay,
Yes.
I like that. Good job on your picture.
Oh, thanks. Okay, so now I think I'm finally ready to read these situations. So choice A, Maya was farthest from the finish line. Good thing we drew this picture. So Maya is, let's see, right here. And she is not the farthest. It looks like Heidi's a little further away. So I'm going to say not A, not that one. All right, B, Heidi was farthest from the finish line. So here's Heidi.
That looks like it could be it, though. Let's make sure we check our other ones, though.
I think so. She looks further away, so I'm going to leave B for now. C says Heidi was closer than Maya to Ethel. Whoa, that's a little confusing. Heidi is closer than Maya to Ethel. So Heidi is close to Ethel, or Maya is close to Ethel. What do you think?
I think Maya's definitely closer, but it says Heidi is closer, so I don't think that's going to be the answer.
Okay, so getting rid of C. And then finally, Ethel was closer than Heidi to Maya. Ethel was closer than Heidi to Maya. Here's Ethel. Is she closer to Heidi, or is Maya closer to Heidi?
So looks like Maya's closer to Heidi.
Right. Yeah, because they're like about half a foot away, and here these two are like 2.25 feet
Yeah, that's
away.
way farther away.
Yeah, so it doesn't sound like D is our option. So I think we found it.
Whoop, whoop.
Right here. Whoopsies. B, Heidi was farthest from the finish line.
So now you're going to do a question similar to this. I would suggest make sure you draw your picture and think about each person and their location.